Hello guys, it's Zach EDF here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove the soap drawer of this if you're gonna clean the soap drawer of your front load washing machine. So you can do it on any washing machine you want. Just open it, and you will see a button right here, and there's also in other washing machines. There's also a button in the middle. Right now I'm doing is the button right here. Just press it and pull. And here you go. You take off the soap drawer. You just gotta check in here. And this is dirty. That's dirty. That's super dirty. Okay, so anyway, just right here. If you want to put it back, if you want to put the soap drawer back, just put it on the correct spot like this. And once you do it, just hold the button and push. And that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. Bye.